Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's Janisa with Forbidden Couture Plus. Today I decided to grace you all with a first ever get ready with me. I was headed to a Sunday brunch and I thought, why not do this video since I already get so many questions on my makeup, what I use, what I do, the steps and all that. So just go ahead and stay tuned and yeah. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I have two videos, I believe, already showing how I do my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the concealer to my eyelids to be like a primer or a base for my eyeshadow. So I pulled out my Real Technique Beauty Blender to set, blend, and also even out the concealer that I put on my eyelids. Alright y'all, so to complete my eye look, I'm going to be using the Matte Book by Crayon case. Support black businesses. Most of my makeup that I've been buying is from black lines, so support black businesses. And also with this look or any look that I'll do as far as like a get ready with me, I'll be using natural colors. I love a natural soft beat. Unless I'm getting real jazzy, the colors I'm going to be using 9 times out of 10 is natural. If you watch my previous videos, you'll know that I'm not really particular on the brushes that I use. I use the brushes that I know that will get the job done for whatever look that I'm going for. I'm not a makeup artist, so honestly, I make do with what I have. So just so you guys are able to follow, I've used a light orange above my crease, and then in my crease I use a red from my palette. So here I'm blending it out just a bit because the red was a little more harsh than I expected. I didn't want it to be too red. Alright, so here I'm adding a flesh tone or a light brown that's similar to the color of my skin or the shade of my skin to go along with the natural look that I'm going for. So here I'm adding a brown and then also a purple, not too heavy. They're not too heavy, but just enough to give that natural look a nice transition and a nice flow. I'm adding it now in my V, my outer V of my eye. Alright, so listen, I had to chime in. I mean, y'all made it this far into the video, so I think it's only right, you know, that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Like, all that stuff helped me, so might as well. I'm dope, so shit. All right, so listen, I always get questions on how I can do makeup so well, but not do lashes. I'm not good with it. I don't know I don't know the coordination. It's something ain't right. So I just use my mascara and I apply a few coats of it, maybe 3 coats of it, and bam, your girl is good. All right, so I'm spraying my beauty blender with this Mario Badescu Rose Spray, and that's just to give my foundation a dewy look. All right, y'all. So here I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder. Now this step is completely optional, but I use this to set my foundation. And I also don't put it all over my face. I only put it in the spots that I know are prone to oiliness. Alright, so now I'm adding on my banana press powder, and this is to begin my highlight and contour. In addition to my banana press powder, I'm going to go ahead and use this contour palette by Crayon case. And I will make sure to link everything that I use below, just in case you guys want to purchase the same items. Right, so you want to make sure you dust off that banana powder. You do not want to leave it on, because other than that, child, you're going to be looking like a ghost. So yeah, go ahead and dust it off in the spots that you applied it and continue on. Alright, so we want to make sure that we bring some life and some glow back into our skin. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the highlighter to my cheeks, my nose, and the bridge of my nose, and also the arch of my eyebrows. It's completely optional, but I like to add the highlighter to my outer tear ducts and then also the top of my top lip. This is optional. Again, these are just steps that I've learned from different makeup artists here on YouTube. This pretty much concludes this Get Ready With Me. I really appreciate y'all watching and tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I post any videos. If there's any other videos that you would like to see me post, please let me know and I'll be sure, or matter of fact, I'll try my best to get on it. Thank you, y'all. Bye. All right, y'all, I forgot to take a picture of my food. I forgot to hit record. But I got some shrimp tacos, some black beans and rice, and some type of corn. I don't know. It's good though. It's chip salsa, all that good stuff. But yeah, it's fire. And my drink. This is probably like number 2. I see number 3 in my future.